Hey, welcome to This Mama's House. Today I'm sharing with you my home birth kit. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Tabitha. I am currently expecting my 5th baby, and this is going to be my 4th home birth. So I thought it would be fun and maybe helpful for some of you to see all of the things that I have in my home birth kit and all of the items I have prepared to give birth at home to my sweet little baby boy that's going to come any day now. So let's jump right into the supplies and let me show you everything that I have. I have everything that I need in this tote right here. This is my birth pool. It is the Made in Water I don't know. You guys can read it. But I'm going to have this linked. I also have a tarp here so we can put it on the carpet. This is where we're going to set up the pool right here. So we'll put the tarp down and then blow up the pool. And this is a really nice and big pool, so I'm excited about that. But I'm going to pull everything out here and put it on my bed so that I can show you all of the items that we have ready for a baby. I pulled everything out of the tote and put it on the bed so that I could show you everything. We'll start here. So I told you guys this is my birth pool. I showed you it all blowed up. This is the electric pump that we have to actually blow it up, and it blows up pretty quickly, so that is good. Then we also have a drinking water hose. So this is to fill the pool up, and then a little attachment so that we can attach it right to the bathroom sink and just fill it up from there. Then I have 2 old sheets for this bed. I usually have white sheets on this bed, so I just wanted some darker sheets that didn't matter if they got ruined. Right now we actually have some sheets, red sheets on the bed in case my water breaks or anything. And then I also have a different comforter for once we know I'm in labor and stuff, we'll probably take the white stuff off the bed just for a little bit. Then we have 2 trash bags in case we need anything. I tend to vomit during labor. I know this is all TMI, but if you're watching this video, maybe you want to hear about that kind of stuff. Also to dispose of my placenta. And then here I have shower curtain liners, and these will be used to put on the bed on my side under the sheet, and just to protect our mattress. And then I also have under pads which will go on top of the sheets for me to lay on. So they're just disposable pads to protect the sheets and keep everything clean. And then over here is kind of more of like the medical supplies. I do have 2 little washcloths and 2 towels for the baby after he is born that we can clean him off with and wrap him in. I have a thermometer here. We have some gauze pads. I have this homeopathic childbirth kit. So this has a bunch of different remedies in it, and some of the remedies are missing, but they're actually going to show up today in the mail. So I ordered the ones that I don't have in the kit anymore that I've used up. So that's 18 different remedies. There's like an instruction book and everything on how to use those, and I feel like this really helped me with my last labor. I also have some chapstick in here for me. This is like a baby wash, so usually I don't give a baby a bath like right away, but sometimes they need their hair cleaned, so I do have that in case. And then here is a sterile ear bulb syringe. So usually with water births I don't have to use this, but sometimes like the first 24 hours or something they might have stuff that comes up that they need to clear out. So we have that. These are just some alcohol prep pads in case I need anything like that. If I tear anything or just to clean something, we got those just in case. We have a little newborn hat, a couple newborn diapers, and a little newborn onesie. I got the t-shirt onesie because we'll be doing skin to skin, so I don't really want him dressed fully right away. So we just have the hat and the little t-shirt here. This is some red raspberry leaf tea that I might want to brew to sip on during labor. This helps with contractions and toning the uterus, and has a lot of minerals in it, so it's just good to drink when you're pregnant or in labor. Over here we have a ton of sterile latex gloves. So these are my midwife size, and then we have some larger ones for my husband if he wants to put them on. This is a fetal heart rate Doppler with some aloe vera gel for like the conductor, so if we want to check baby's heart rate. My midwife of course has one, but I also have one too, just in case I want to use it. Then we have a couple different essential oils. So this is rosemary and clary sage. So these are good for actually labor and contractions. And then I have two more that I just like that I wanted to have in here. So we have Valor, let me see. Valor, which is one of my faves. It's just smells so good and it's very grounding to me. And then I also have lemon essential oil that's just very invigorating and energizing, so I have that too. I have some holy water that we could put in the pool right before he's born. And then this is my folder from my midwife. So she has the checklist in here of all the things that she wants us to have on hand. And then right here, this is a map to the closest hospital, as well as phone numbers for us to call in case we do have to transfer to the hospital. I'm not going to show you because there's personal info there, but just a map and phone numbers just in case. So that is everything that we have in our home birth kit. I did recently share my postpartum kit, so everything that I'm going to want to have on hand after the birth, and I also shared my breastfeeding basket. All of the supplies that I have for breastfeeding my new little baby. So there's a lot more content coming out about this. I'm going to film a video about how to prepare your house for a newborn. I'm going to show you around my master bedroom and share with you what we have ready for him. So a lot of fun content. Subscribe if you are new and go check out those other videos. I'll have them all linked below. And thanks so much for watching this. I hope it was helpful. Just remember, I am not a midwife or a doctor, and I don't have any like expertise in that area. I'm just collecting what my midwife told me to, and I have on hand what she recommended. So this is just for educational purposes, just so you guys can see what I have if you are curious, or if you're planning a home birth too, maybe you want to have some of this on hand as well. So thanks so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next video. Bye!